Today's video is sponsored by Bevel. Thank you so much, Bevel, for sponsoring today's video. I am so grateful for the opportunity to work with you guys, and I hope everyone enjoys this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax. I am the CEO of Curly Hair, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to shave your face and your neck and not get any ingrown hair. For so long, I was afraid to shave with a razor because I feared ingrown hairs, so I used this little electric shaver, but then I started getting ingrown hairs from the electric shaver and realized, let me just face my fear, learn how to shave. If I have to go through some trial and error to get there, it'll be worth it in the end. And so as I was trying to find a routine and the best products, I came across Bevel, and I just really trusted Bevel. So I'm very excited and grateful to be working with Bevel today on this video. Let's get into the routine. First thing I do is put my hair up, get my hair out of my face, and then next I wash my hands. And you really want to make sure you wash your hands really well, get in between your fingers and under your fingernails, because you're about to take a blade to your face and you just don't want any bacteria invited to this party. You know what I'm saying? And I actually made it a habit to wash my hands every time before I wash my face. But the next step is to wash your face, and you want to wash your face really good. Once again, you don't want any bacteria on there getting in the way and getting in the mix of your shaving. After my face is washed, I go ahead and pat my face dry, but I don't get it super dry, especially the areas that you're shaving. You want it to be a little bit like moist, but you definitely don't want to irritate your skin any more than you have to because you're about to shave it. Next up is to apply the Bevel Clear Shave Gel. Y'all, I am obsessed with this stuff. It's a clear gel and it doesn't foam that much, so you can actually see what you're shaving, but also too, it has cucumber and aloe vera extract, which help to reduce any irritation that might come from shaving. And I'm telling you, this works wonders. I'm able to shave so easily, so smoothly. Once again, I can see where I'm shaving because it's not this thick foam, and I don't really have any issues shaving. Like, I was so scared to shave, and now it's like nothing. Next up, we're gonna use our Bevel Essential Disposable Safety Razor. This is a disposable razor, so you just use it until the blade starts to get dull and then you toss it. But it's designed to help prevent any cuts, snagging, and pulling, which causes those ingrown hairs. And so what you do is you just hold the blade at like a 30-degree angle to your face, and then you just gently glide the blade down your face, and it literally cuts the hair right off. Another very important piece of this routine and how I avoid getting razor bumps is I shave along the grain of my hair, like the way that my hair grows. That's how I shave it. So how you can test it is feel your facial hair. Like, you're gonna rub along your face in different directions, and the way that it feels the most smooth, like you're just gliding your finger right over your hair, that's the direction your hair grows. And then if you try to rub it the opposite way, it'll feel like rough, like the hairs are sticking up. That's the opposite way. You do not want to shave the opposite way. That is gonna cause you issues and ingrown hairs and all the things that you don't want. Shave along the way that your hair grows. Like, if your hair was laying down, you want to shave it like you're shaving on top of it, not like you're going against it. So after my first initial shave, I'll go back in with the clear shave gel and apply a little bit more, and then I will go ahead and clean up any areas that I may have missed so that I can get the cleanest shave possible. And then in between every few strokes, I will rinse the blade, and this is cool. This blade has two little like divots at the bottom that flush the blade out. So you just turn it upside down and run the water in those little like slits that you see, and it literally flushes the hair out of the blade. Also, another really important thing I want to mention is I really take my time with my shaving, especially when I'm going around like places like my jawline, where it's not just one clean glide or smooth shave, but there's like an angle that I'm dealing with. I take my time, y'all. You do not want to cut yourself, snag your hairs. That is going to cause a whole bunch of problems that you do not want. So y'all, take your time when you are shaving. If you got to get up a little earlier to make sure you got time, do that. Or if you want to do it the night before, do that. But just take your time. Once I'm done shaving, then I go ahead and I rinse off the whole area that I shaved. And y'all, look how smooth my face looks. Like, even the sides of my face. You know how you get those little peach fuzz baby hairs on your face? Well, when you shave them off, it just makes your skin look so smooth and nice. And I do this really gently. Don't be too rough with your skin. You just put it through a lot. Afterwards, once again, I pat dry. You do not want to irritate your skin. And then I go in with the bump control. Now, y'all, this right here is the sauce. I take a couple drops in my hand, and then I put it on there, and it stings, y'all. It stings, but it only stings for like a couple seconds. But when I tell y'all the wonders this product works is incredible. This product does not have any harsh alcohols in it, but it is instead made with green tea, which helps to soothe your skin so that way you don't have too much irritation. And it also is made with glycolic acid, which helps to keep your skin nice and smooth, which we need that, especially where we just shaved. You know what I'm saying? No razor bumps for us. Afterwards, you can follow with the rest of your regular skincare steps. But then after that, I just go ahead and I fix my hair back, and then y'all, I have a nice, clean, shaved face, and I don't know, I just feel so great. And I don't know, y'all, ever since I started shaving, like, it's just been such a game changer for me. Like, and I'm just so, I don't know, I just love it. I love this journey. I love this little like act of self-care, and like I just feel like so good and so confident, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, these products I love, I trust. These are my staple shaving products, and everything that you've seen in this video is included in the Bevel Essential Disposable Starter Kit, which is now available at Target. So shout out to Bevel, onward and upward, getting into big box retailers. Y'all know we love that. And I will also have all the products featured in this video linked down below for your convenience. Thank you so much again to Bevel for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking forward to more videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you all in my next video.